how to do spot trading on Bybit app. Now before we get on to do spot trading, it is important to understand what spot trading is all about. Now spot trading refers to the buying or selling of an asset at its current market price with the intention of immediate delivery, meaning that you can take ownership of the asset as soon as the trade is executed, essentially trading at the spot price which reflects the asset's value right now without any future contracts or expiry dates involved. And if you want to do spot trading on Bybit, first of all, launch the Bybit app and make sure that you're signed into your account. From the bottom of the screen, go to the middle option that says trade. And from the top, just make sure to choose spot trading. Now you could be under futures trading, so make sure to choose spot trading. Now select the type of crypto pair or asset that you wish to buy or sell or trade within spot trading tab. So if you select BTC, you can say its current market price and value and the amount of asset it is diminishing. Then over here you can select your available limit, enter the quantity that you wish to trade, and then you can choose a buy order and you can also set a selling order. So based on what you want, you'll be able to do them right here. That's all it takes to do spot trading on Bybit. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.